What is your name?
Amelia Escobar Lucas Bautista.
Wow, how old are you?
I'm Amelia Escobar is in
3.
3 years old.
What's the name of your classmate? This one, your classmate. What's the name?
Mom, this is my money.
What is your name? Huh?
Taylor. Stop. Right. Stop. Stop.
Slowly na kuya. Kuya.
Stop. 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 Go.
Uy, slowly. Your classmate name is Kyler.
Taylor.
Now say hi, Kyler.
Hi, Kyler.
Oh, Kyler, your response. Hi, Amelia. Na, no sound si...
Daga na mo.
No sound si Kyler, Amelia.
Ito na kuya.
Uday pa si... Your another classmate is here, Garrett.
Garrett.
Ang mga kuya sa nanati, oh. Apil-apil sa izu. Uy, bibi. Oh!
Picture. Slowly.
Stand up, ra.
Listen kami mag Kumana, ate, baliktad naman ang imong vlog.
Oh, oh.